it, Doctor! Exterminate! Exterminate! Exterminate!
Sir, it's gonna kill him!
We're positioned at equidistant intervals around the globe.
Equidistant, so grown up.
Just about ready to do it. Ready to do what?
We're going to freeze Gallifrey.
I'm sorry. What?
Using our TARDISes, we're going to freeze Gallifrey at a single moment in time.
You know, like the stasis cube? Single moment in time held in a parallel pocket universe.
Except we're going to do it to a whole planet. And all the people on it.
What? Even if that were possible. Which it isn't. Why would you do such a thing?
Because the alternative is burning. And I've seen that. And I never want to see it again.
We'd be lost in another universe. Frozen in a single moment. We'd have nothing.
You would have hope. And right now, that is exactly what you don't have.
It's delusional. The calculations alone would take hundreds of years.
Oh, hundreds and hundreds, but don't worry. I started a very long time ago.
Morning, the War Council of Gallifrey. This is the Doctor.
You might say I've been doing this all my lives.
Hello. Ready? Commencing calculation.
Find the Doctor. Find him now. From the mind of a nation came a cold and mindless creation. Xenophobic megalomaniacs. They travel space to begin their attacks on the Earth and the human race. As they scan for just one face, silver spheres, just one eye. Missing the Doctor, he must die. Extermination. Obey. Complete and total domination. In the wastelands, the human race. Endless scans for just one face. Face, 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 face. Regeneration is the source of their frustration. They cannot find the Lord of Time. So many lives he's up to 9. But he could be just anyone. Annihilation has begun. The TARDIS is what they want. We must have the key of time. Extermination. Obey. Complete and total domination. In the wastelands, the human race. Endless scans for just one face. Face, 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 face. You will obey the Daleks. We must have the TARDIS. Locate the Doctor. Scan her link. Scan commencing. Find him. We have location. To us. It's the Gallifreyan. From the mind of a nation came a cold and mindless creation. Xenophobic megalomaniacs bent on destruction.
Oh no, the Daleks are here. This is what I've always feared. They want the TARDIS control of time. They will never stop, bottom line.
Well, now it's time to make a decision as we're headed for a collision. If it's your fault and that's why they're here, will they spare the Earth if you are here?
I think you're right, Brigadier. I need a bomb, bring it here.
Roger that. I'll get one of those suitcase jobbies. One of our boffins, that's his hobby.
I'll transport it up to their ship.
Remote detonation, good idea, let it rip.
Well, now you must be reading my mind. We'll pay the Daleks back in kind.
Extermination. Obey. Complete and total domination. In the wastelands, the human race. Endless scans for just one face. Face, face, Dalek face.
Doctor, are you receiving me? Come in, Doctor. Yes, Brigadier. Is that suitcase thingy all right? Yes, it's gonna work perfectly. Okay, well, make sure you get out of there, man, okay? Thank you, Brigadier. I'll be back with time to spare. Roger that.
Extermination. Obey. Complete and total domination. In the waste there's the human race. Endless scans for just one face. Face. Regeneration is the source of their frustration. They cannot find the Lord of Time. So many lives he's up to
13.
But he could be just anyone. Annihilation has begun. The TARDIS is what they want. We must have the key of time. Extermination. Obey. Complete and total domination. In the waste that's the human race. Endless scans for just one face. Face. Well, obey the Daleks. We must have the TARDIS. Locate the Doctor. Scan the fleet. Exterminate. We have location. Two hearts on the ship. It's a Gallifreyan. From the mind of a nation came a cold and mindless creation. Xenophobic megalomaniacs bent on destruction.
God and Man production.